clicked on this video, now don't click off it. What's up everyone? Today we're going down to Woodward. Finally that time of year where everyone's getting their cars out and mine is in the shop. But here we are. It's not all bad though, we still got a nice day today and we're going to meet up with Mackenzie right now and we're gonna go pick up some other cars that we're gonna be taking down to Woodward today. So let's go see what they got. Made a quick pitter, dude. I just paid $7 for 2 titty top Gatorades. Don't know what's up with that.
What the fuck is gonna happen? I just pulled up to your bitch house and start rapping. I just pulled up to your bitch house and start smashing.
What the fuck's going on in here, boys? What's up, Ryan?
How you doing?
What's up, Zach? Oh, look at this. I came just in time. Whole Beamer lineup right here. Old Dusty S2K. What's this pushing, Zach? 0 pounds of 900. Really? Got a pretty nice snail on it.
It's only got the butt down.
Got all sorts of gems today. M5 wagon. This thing's sick. Purple too. More M3s up here. E36, E30, S2000, 4030s. For those who are familiar, this is the jammy machine. In all its glory, we actually get to see it in person today. Declan, you want to be in the video, dude? What's up, Maya? Bump it. See, it ain't got no gas in it.
It's pretty low, right?
It's hard to tell. Yeah, it's pretty low. Riding in the Turbo Riot tonight. What's up, dude? I don't think you've been introduced in this video yet.
Nope.
It's
As
like
Mackenzie, good old car guy. As you can tell by my shirt. Getting ready to do a couple Bernies on Woodward for the first time in 3 years.
It's a cult classic, man. We ain't got no seatbelts like usual.
This is, I still consider this maiden voyage for this truck.
Cool. Got Gatorades going everywhere. Something that just feels right about going out Woodward in an old truck. Ryan's getting fucked. I feel like the little you're letting take for a ride in your truck is something, dude. It's gonna be one of those seasons, dude. This thing up for you, but there's swine like nobody's business down here. M3 rolling up there, you got the Firebird, Zach's up there in the Porsche. Weather's great, no complaints. We're on the blocks, we're getting some lactose cream. And I'm out here struggling to talk to this camera in front of all these people, man. It got Mackenzie laughing at me like
lactose cream, bro.
Dude, like I ain't filmed 150 videos of this chump. Line up looking straight disgusting right now. Oh, I did something wrong. Shoot. Alright, everyone's inside getting some ice cream. I'm walking around out back. See if we got any cars back here, but we got some weirdo vibes. This is, I think, the feel we're gonna get this year is cones in every parking lot, security guards and cops. which is kind of disappointing because when I started coming down here, like, you could just park here till like 2 in the morning. It did not matter. There were no rules. And here we are 6-7 years later, and you're not allowed to have any more fun, I guess. Actually, a clean Supra for this. It's pretty sick. Stock, guys, what you expect? What did you expect except for me to ruin MACKENZIE's clip? Ridiculous out here. They even got the belly closed up. Big meat going on in there. People who aren't in Michigan don't understand what Woodward is.
No. We went out to Milwaukee one time, dude. They have the Honda fucking highway out there.
Yeah.
And they think that's the shit, and it's like cruising Dixie Highway.
Yeah, like if you're not from Michigan, Woodward is essentially like 10 miles of road at least, 4 lanes wide going both ways. Every single weekend, everyone brings their cars out here, hundreds if not thousands of cars, and it's definitely something to see. And if you're not from Michigan, I'd consider taking the trip up for the Dream Cruise, which is usually the third, I think it's the third Saturday of every August. I'll pop the date up somewhere. Polestar, man. It's a Polestar dealership. Never even heard of this brand until tonight. MACKENZIE was telling me some goodies about them. Cool electric cars.
So this is a spin-off of Volvo. This is their all-electric sport line. They're really high-end. There's, I think this one right here is almost 200 grand. Badass little cars. Polestar here in Royal Oak.
Royal Oak, baby. Right off Woodward, M1. Elon, dude. Elon's got a problem with these whips coming up.
Big problem.
Elon's about to be messed up with these Polestars. Electric charge, man. Bumps coming out of the Bronco. See if we can get someone doing something dumb here. Big wing on the Mark 5, that's sick. About to race. No, I heard him yelling out the window. If it ain't the man, the myth, and the legend.
What up?
Semi-car guys, dude. When you gonna freaking upload again?
As soon as I get a car.
Yeah, what you got over here? What you got over here? You haven't even showed this on your channel.
No,
I
I
don't
haven't.
think.
I need to make a video with it.
What do we got? What do we got?
About 1.5 years ago, my dad finally decided to pick up a car, and he got a 2013 ZL1.
This thing is sick.
He's a bad lad.
You want to give us a startup?
Sure.
Let's hear it.
You know it's cool when you can start it with the key fobs.
Oh, you got the key fob start? She's there. That sounds good, dude.
I'm not sure what's going on there.
Yo, 335 versus Camaro. Doc Racing, hit me up. I need a turbo.
There's also this weird thing here too. So it's got the tail light out, but then it also just has this projector light over here.
What's this? That's so you can see when you're backing up.
Yeah, it's so you get that good lighting, you know.
Got the rest of everyone's cars out here. Got Brandon's 335, nice M55.
Oh, really?
I've been gapped by this thing before, I can't lie. Hitting the key fob for me. Got some C7 action, some C6, an MST, Brennan's Camaro, Mustangs, JWS Home Improvement, hit them up. Link in the description.
Put the suspension down while you're driving. It just...
change of plans. We're actually headed over to M1 right now instead of the race spot. And my GoPro's about to die, so I'm gonna call the video here. Feel free to stick around and check out some of my other videos right here.
Yeah, so they get out my way. Yeah, fast in my lane.